Hello and welcome. Right, I'm Laura. I'm a Canvassador and I love Canva, and I'm bringing this channel to you full of lots of tips and tutorials and features on Canva. Now, today's tutorial, I want to get straight to it. This is something I have been asked about recently and I wanted to show you how to do it. It's how to wrap text around an image. You don't need to have lots of big fancy software to do this. You can do it in Canva. So I'm going to head over to my screen and I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so here we are. We are over in my Canva account, and this is the style of design I'm going to show you how to create, is how to wrap that text around an image for your business. In this particular one, I've also done a drop shadow. I do have a video on that in my channel, so please go and have a look at that if you want to learn how to create that shadow effect to your design as well. So I've got a few different examples here. That is something my little boy was doing. Children, we all have children. Right, we'll ignore the creepy looking spider that just appeared on our screen, and we're going to go over and look for a photo. So this could be your product, it could be a book, it could be an ebook, it could be an icon you're using for a course, something that you want to wrap that text around. So I'm going to go over to the photo section and I'm just going to type in product, and I am going to go for the cutout so I can get that image quicker for you. But you can use the background remover tool, or you can use the website remove.bg and it will remove the background for you. So I'm going to choose this product. So we can say this is our new product and I want to wrap this text around this particular image. So I've added my product, I've removed the background. Now I need to go over to a text box and I need to create my text. So we've got our image. I'm going to go for sale simply because we've got that lovely big curly S there that I want to wrap around my text. I need to place this on top of my image. So you can see here, I've got this sweeping S that I want to wrap around these two bottles at the top. I'm going to change the font. I like this font. This is a better one for showing you. So I can really wrap this around the back of that image there. And the simple way to do this, it really is very simple. You've got the text on at the front and we have got the image at the back. Select the image, duplicate it. So now you've got image at the back, text in the middle, and another image on top. Align it with the image you have underneath. So you now have image, text, image. It's like a sandwich. And then if you crop it, you can see how this is going to work. You can start to see how this will actually happen. Now I have cropped it, this one. I've just taken it up here to the top there. So it's above that spray bottle. But you can see how it now looks like the text is curling around because there's the image on top. I've cropped it. So you've only got a small portion of this particular image. And that is how you wrap text around your products. You can do it again. You can copy the image again, place it on top. Now we've obviously got that image underneath already, curling around, but you could do it somewhere else. You could have it so it looks, so we could say sale. Could maybe have it so the L looks like it's going through. It's very dependent on how you want to do this. Could we do that? Can we move it enough so it looks like the L is going through? Very nearly. So there you go. That's just a super quick way to show you how to wrap text around an image. It really is as simple as one text box and one image that you duplicate, and then you're cropping the image in certain areas to make it look like that text has gone around. So there, for example, and there we have it. So what did you think? Super simple, really, really super simple tutorial, but it can look really effective. And like I say, if you couple it with the drop shadow effect, that reflection that I've created as well, there is a tutorial in here in this channel on how to do that. You're creating yourself a really gorgeous looking graphic that you can use for your business, for your products. Do it. It's amazing. Right, that's it from me. I shall leave you and I'll see you in the next video.